Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Beehiiv. In order to do so, you first off want to go to beehiiv.com, that's Beehiiv.com, and make sure that you're logged in and signed up, and you should find a screen similar to this one. Essentially what Beehiiv does is it is a newsletter that you can send out to your subscribers, and what you're going to need to do is if you have a subscribers list from another platform like Substack, then you can import the list of subscribers from that site into here and then use Beehiiv as a means of sending out a newsletter. So in order to get started, you'll see here that you have to complete a few steps. You're going to start with the tutorial, and from there you're going to customize a website, customize a theme, and this theme is going to be for your newsletter. And then you need to get your first subscriber or import your subscriber list. So if you have subscribers on a different platform, like I said, like Substack or any other number of similar platforms, then you're going to be importing them into Beehiiv and then using Beehiiv to send out a newsletter. So we'll just go through the basic steps here just so that you understand how this goes. So you can see here that you have no active subscribers. Would you like to start by importing a list? We're going to go ahead and click import list, and you can see how this works for yourself. So here we have a limit of 10 subscribers until you do a Stripe identity verification. And then once you do that, then you have a limit to 10,000. So it's just an identity verification there. Make sure you're a real person. In the beginning, you can have up to 10 subscribers. So here, if we click new subscribers import, then you will be met with a screen here that's asking you to upload a CSV file. So you're going to need to get that CSV file from the other website that you're bringing it into. And then once you have that here, you can click next, and it will take you through the steps in order to set up your subscriber list. Once you have set up a subscriber list, then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to create a new publication. So here on the left-hand side, you can see that you can create a new publication. And here it's going to ask, what is your publication name going to be? What is it about? And what is the subdomain? So let's go ahead and try something out here. Let's see how this works for us. Publication name, we're going to go with Lectureloom AI Radio. This publication is about AI radio. And what is the new subdomain? Lectureloom AI Radio. Now let's see if we can create that. Okay. Now it's going to take us to a general information page where we can put in a publication logo. We can create a default thumbnail. We can do publication tags. We can change the default language, the default time zone. We can change the subscribe button text. Okay, so we're going to change that there if you want to. And content access. You make this a private publication, enable this to restrict access to your site and contact. Only logged in subscribers can view your post. Okay, so that is if you only want your subscribers to be able to view your posts, then you're going to click that there. And here you can set require subscriber approval. Enable to let visitors request access. Okay, so if you want to allow people to see your content, but they have to ask first, then you can click that there. So that's kind of helpful depending on what it is that you're looking to do. And let's see here. So we've got a few other options here. Email sending details, whatever it is that you're going to be sending to anybody. It's going to have this in the sender name, reply to address. So just to give you a general overview, you have an idea of what this is and how this works. it is essentially a newsletter, an automated newsletter that gets sent out, or rather every time you post it gets sent out. So this is good for anybody who is a content creator and has an audience and wants to stay in contact with them. We'll go down here to the draft icon, and you can see here that you can either create a blank draft from scratch, or you can use a template. We'll go ahead and start from a blank draft, and you'll be able to see here that you can create a new post. So you can add a thumbnail, you can add content tags, create a subtitle, and then here you can enter in the information that you want to send out. And once you're done with that, then you can click up on here where it says next and go through the steps there. You'll see here that I already have a post that has been set up, and you can either click here where it says new post to open that. That gives you an idea of what it says. You can go ahead and click edit post over here, and then that brings you back to the post where you can enter in more information. So if you have a post that you want to send out but you're not ready to send it yet, then you can start writing, and then you can come back and edit it, and once you're done, then you can send that out and it will get sent to everybody who's on your newsletter. We'll just keep on going down the list here. So here the next option in the menu is audience. So when we take a look at that, we see that we have subscribers, segments, automations, polls, surveys, subscribe forms. So those are various options in order to interact with your audience. If you click on subscribers, that's going to bring us back to the import subscribers page. And here, let's take a look at subscribe forms. Okay, so you can create customizable and embeddable email subscribe forms for your other websites. So that's kind of helpful. So if you have a different website and you want to be able to allow people to subscribe to your website, then you can create a new form. And I would imagine this would be good for something like Linktree. You could put this on there and it will be a way that people can find you easily and subscribe. We'll take a look at the next option here, which says grow. So they do have a referral program and recommendations, magic links, boosts. Let's go ahead and select magic links. Build a custom magic link to boost conversions with one-click subscribe links. So you have your custom magic link here. You can copy that to clipboard and you can put that in. I would imagine your Linktree is probably a good place to put that. I believe that would be the case. Then we also have here the monetize option. So you have ads, boosts, paid subscriptions. Let's take a look at ads here. Okay. So it looks like here, this really comes down to once you have a certain amount of subscribers, a certain amount of earnings, then you will get opportunities, and that will allow you to be able to monetize. That's what I'm understanding from this page here. Let's go ahead and take a look at paid subscriptions. Okay, start a scale trial. So it seems that you're going to want to start a scale trial if you want to do paid newsletters. So that is something to consider if that's something that you're interested in. We'll go ahead and take a look at the design tab. And here we could see that there's a website builder and the newsletter builder. So that is a couple things there that you're probably going to want to spend time with. Analyze, we've got the subscribers report, we got post report, clicks report. So using Beehiiv and sending out your newsletters, you'll be able to have a clear view of your progress there. Well, I think that for now gives us a general idea of how Beehiiv works, and it is essentially a newsletter. If you already have a platform like Substack, then you can use Beehiiv as a way to send out newsletters to your audience. Seems pretty powerful. I'd recommend checking it out, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.